Hello, my name is Nisha, and in today's video I'm going to show you what I received in my H2Pro order. I placed my order on Thursday, February the 15th, and by Friday morning, February the 16th, I already had it. It actually got delivered by UPS just before 9:30 in the morning. So let me talk through my order. So the reason why I ended up placing my order on February the 15th is they had a fantastic Valentine's Day sale that was extended through the 15th. And the prices and the bundles reminded me of the type of deals that were available on Black Friday. The particular deal that I got made it so that Legend flat irons were reduced to $240 a piece. And each flat iron came with a clarifying shampoo, a thermal protectant, a healing shine butter, and a Marula rescue mask. So that would mean 8 free products total with 2 flat irons. The combination of the discounted flat irons and the free products made me go ahead and take the plunge of getting the flat irons. Now, full disclosure here, I already believe I own what is the paragon of excellent flat irons. I bought the FHI Runway Flat Iron in 2007. I use it all the time. I've used it regularly over the years, and it still works fantastically today as well as it did on the day that I bought it in 07. In 2013, FHI came out with a runway iron that was digital and called it the Pure Ceramic Digital Hand Touch Iron, and I bought that one too. So at this point, both of my FHI flat irons are over a decade old. They both work fantastically, and I use them all the time. So I emphasize that my favorite flat irons, my FHI runway irons, are over 10 years old and at any time could stop working. So I continually try new products like the EAP flat iron that you see here. Just in case one of my favorite flat irons stopped working, I will still have something I love to work. Now, I began buying EAP flat irons in 2019. I rank them a 9 out of 10. They are very good, just not as good as the Runways. They have an automatic shut off after an hour, and that can be inconvenient if I have to pause while I'm doing my hair. They also have a casing that can get pretty hot if I did pause while doing my hair and I have to keep it on for over an hour to finish. But other than that, the performance is really, really great. But that is one of the reasons why I'm getting the H2Pro Legend irons, because they have several layers of ceramic, 8 layers of ceramic. They don't have automatic shut off, and I am expecting it to be more of a duplicate of the Runway than what my EAP irons are. You can see this is way more than the 8 free items that I ordered with my 2 flat irons. What I noticed is that there were a few of the items that were not included that were in the bundle, and they replaced it with duplicates and threw in some extra things, which I am not mad at. I actually like the combination of what I got more than what I was expecting. So the first box is the H2Pro Legend. I'm just going to show you my unboxing it. And this is the item with the black plates. The FHI runway irons had 6 layers of ceramic and tourmaline plates, whereas this iron has 8 layers of the ceramic, and they have anion charge. So I'm hoping it'll be a pretty good dupe. They both go to up to $450, and that's what I like. So I will be comparing these irons to how much I love my FHI irons through the spring when I start repressing my hair again. I couldn't decide if I wanted the black one or the white one, so I went ahead and got both. I go to work to reward myself, not just to pay bills, so every now and then I splurge. This is one of those times. Now, everything that you see in this box was free. I decided to buy 2 flat irons from the H2Pro Beauty Life site for $240 each with a bunch of free stuff instead of the H2Pro shop site for $200 a piece, because I've been wanting to try the H2Pro styling products for a while, and so that was a better deal that suited me than the 40% off, I'm sorry, the extra $40 off discount. So let me just go ahead and show you the items now. In the bundle, I was originally supposed to get 2 clarifying shampoos. Instead, I got a co-wash and a leave-in, which, to be honest, I prefer. I was supposed to receive 2 Marula rescue masks, but I got 1 Argan mask instead. I'll show you what replaces that later. I was supposed to receive 4 Healing Shine Butters. I received 3 of those. I'll show you what replaces that later. I was also supposed to receive 2 thermal protectants, but I received 1 blowout spray instead. And so now we'll get into all the replacements that I believe more than made up for the items that were missing. The Marula Oil Spray is one replacement, which cost more than the Argan and the Marula mask, so that was a great replacement. They threw in 2 6-packs of Flexi rods. Those are cheap, but I'll use them. They threw in a cheap pack of Alligator clips. I'll also use those. I use Alligator clips all the time, so I'm glad for those. Now, the 2 Narula oils look the same, but one says Marula oil on the side and the other one says jojoba oil. They are more like serums than essential oils to me, but they more than make up for the missing Healing Shine Butter. Definitely more than that was worth. Then I have the Marula Serum, which I believe is a great dupe or swap for the thermal protectant that was missing. So each Legend flat iron automatically comes with a carbon comb. They sent me a multi-purpose carbon comb and a rat tail carbon comb. And to round off my free gifts are 10 packs of the free healing shampoos and 10 packs of the free healing conditioners. So 20 packs of shampoo and conditioner total there. All in all, I'm very happy with what I received. I know that there are some people who would not have liked the replacements or substitutes because it did differ than what was advertised. But my goal was to try out some of the H2Pro products while buying my irons, and this gave me much more variety than I would have gotten otherwise. All of the substitutes were worth more money than what I would have gotten originally. And mind you, all the products that you see there were free. They were free. So really happy about this. I will start pressing my hair again this spring. Right now I'm just enjoying some natural styles, but these are some goodies as a preview of some of the things that I'll be using this year. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.